We'll start off this tour by riding the least interesting elevator of these. Of course this is interesting because it had a surprise on the inside. But overall it's the least interesting compared to what we're about to ride next. Oh boy.
Man, watch the belt, watch the belt, watch the belt. Alright, are you ready to see the surprise?
No.
It's not that bad, but...
Oh. Okay.
80s impulse.
I thought I heard a click on the guy going in here the first time.
Also, interesting, they used a PH Braille penthouse for the phone.
Yeah.
Here, you want to film this real quick?
Nice. Should have been scenic and round.
Let me get another one. You like hitting those call cancel buttons, don't you?
I want to see if they're older or newer. Let's listen to this one more time. Here's your shop, yeah. Door equipment. Door blue.
Also, when you're uploading these, don't let me forget to send you a list of what each building is called.
I'm looking at the plate.
Yeah, so down doesn't say what the name of the building flagship does, but
Yeah.
most of them just say University of Central Florida.
I'll just type in the address and...
Even those aren't accurate.
Pretty cool.
Also, this has automatic release.
I want to watch it open, so I'm going to close it.
EMS doors. There was someone in that closet in there now. Oh my god.
I want to try the Dover trick.
Let's end on 2. That guy's there.
Yeah.
So do your trick again, that way doesn't open. It's actually really interesting if that works.
Yeah.
This is the only freighter left on UCF's campus.
Interesting.
Want to hit the stop switch?
Yeah. Can I?
Stop. Don't do that. Should close it. See, the first time
I'm sorry.
First time I wrote this, I thought it had manual doors to that, and I tried to
Yeah.
get it.